23. Iceland and Cuba. Today we're looking at Iceland, which is situated very far north, almost on the Arctic Circle, and Cuba, which is on the Tropic of Cancer and lies between North and South America. The islands are roughly the same size in square kilometres, with Cuba much longer and narrower. Iceland has a population of less than 1/3 people, whereas Cuba is more densely populated, having over 11 million inhabitants. Of the two, Iceland has a much higher income per head. As you would expect from its location, Cuba is hot all the year round, with temperatures varying from about 25 to 35 degrees. It is also rainy, especially from May to November. This contrasts with the climate of Iceland. Temperatures there reach about 15 degrees in midsummer, July and August, but are at or below zero for the winter months. The politics of the two countries are very different. Fidel Castro came to power in Cuba in 1953 and turned Cuba into a Marxist state with himself in control. Iceland is a democratic republic. Economically, both countries have good natural resources. Sugarcane and tobacco are major crops in Cuba. Cuban rum and Havana cigars are world famous. Tourism is now an important industry. In Iceland, visitors come to see the spectacular geysers, but fishing remains the traditional industry. Listen to the interview with an ambassador from an EU country.
Good morning, Ambassador. First of all, could you tell me the area of your country?
It's just over 300,000 square kilometers. Not as big as France or Germany, for instance, but considerably bigger than the UK.
Economically, how strong is it?
We are in the Eurozone. There's quite a difference between the North and the South. In general, it has one of the stronger economies, certainly stronger than any of the EU countries like Slovenia or Latvia.
What's the population?
About 58 million. That's about the same as the UK.
And the main exports?
The North is industrial, and the South mainly agricultural. Not many people know that we are Europe's largest producer of wine.
Could you tell me something about the geography of the country?
Of course. We have a very long coastline and a mountain range running almost the entire length of the country, so that is a big attraction for the millions of visitors. But I suppose that most of the tourists come to enjoy the atmosphere of the wonderful Renaissance cities like Florence and to enjoy the best food in the world.